Then we have a very, very specific system, very high touch. When you become a client at the big table, you get my cell phone, you get most of all the expert team's cell phone, and we roll and we get stuff done for you. We get the stuff done that we need to get done, and you get done what you need to get done. But this is all in service of one big goal, right? The first one, becoming a millionaire and making your kids millionaires. And the truth is, this one actually has the most recent checklist for those of you that are parents. And you say, well, I don't have kids, but I'm 40. You should probably go back and read what you could have, should have, would have done from 0 to 20 to yourself and now to your family. So it's education only. Take a lot of notes. The way I'd encourage you to take notes through today, because it is a little bit like Randy always calls me a fire hose, which, by the way, I'll never apologize for my speed. My speed works based on results. You need to keep up. And I know a lot of you, how many in the chat have been told you should slow down as well? Right. So just take on my language and say, and when somebody tells you, oh, you should slow down, Penny, you should slow down, Tiffany, you should slow down. I know, you should pick up your pace. Speed always wins the game. So we're gonna get you picked up in pace.